floors and the walls created, I also added the stage, which is a simple extrusion. I'm now looking at creating the curtains. The curtains need to represent the curve in the fabric, and I'm going to do that by drawing a straight line and a curved line, and then creating something we call a loft. So let's look at that. On the top is just a straight line, and at the bottom is the curved line. Looking at the first sketch, which is the straight line, that's 24 inches long, and I have a couple of other dimensions which tie it into the walls. The second sketch is a curved line. So let's review how I created that curved line. It was created using the spline command. Let's look at it in the top view. I'll just turn that around so you can see it a little better. So the spline command was used, and I selected 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that third point's in the middle of the 24-inch line. When you create a spline, something called handles are created. By default, Activate Handle is toggled off. I toggled it on, which allows me to select the handle and then place a horizontal constraint. I also added 2 dimensions of 3 inches. This allows me to control the shape of the spline. How did I create the loft? Well, let's look at the feature itself. In this case, I selected 2 sketches, the straight line and the curved line. So when I click OK, I create the lofted surface. Note that this is not a solid object, but a surface. When we create a surface, by default it's translucent or see-through. I changed it to opaque. You can use either depending on the look you want for your set design. To finish off the curtains, I used a rectangular pattern and created the necessary number of lofted features. Using the same workflow, I then created the curtains in behind the main stage. And there are 4 curtains there. I created one set and then mirrored them over.